Hi, I am Juan Estrada, Head of Analytical Development at VIVEbiotech. One of our key focus is to develop and implement different analytical techniques to analyze intermediate and final products. It is critical to improve our manufacturing processes and guarantee the quality of lentiviral vectors. So at Vive, we not only have standard analytical techniques that allow us to evaluate the critical quality attributes, purity, integrity, or potency, but also we create tailored and precise methods to meet the unique needs for each of our clients. Our customized approach helps accelerate development while maintaining the highest quality and regulatory standards. If you are looking for a partner to analyze and generate your products, please do not hesitate to contact us.